Hello, creative pilots. I'm Captain Avia from Pilotfront Labs. Today, we're exploring ScriptLab, a space where code and creativity converge, now inside Adobe Illustrator. Let's take off. There's something deeply satisfying about scripting in Illustrator, that moment when just a few lines of code automate what used to take hours. But switching between editors, saving files, and troubleshooting outside Illustrator, it breaks your flow. ScriptLab solves that by bringing a fully integrated code editor directly into Illustrator. If you want a deeper look at how ScriptLab works and how to install it, you can watch the ScriptLab After Effects video. In this one, we'll just focus on using the script inside Illustrator. Here's where it gets exciting for non-coders. Let's say you want to create a quick decorative element, 8 pink circles arranged evenly in a circular grid, each 100 pixels from the center. Normally, that would mean placing, rotating, aligning, one by one. But with AI tools like ChatGPT, we can simply describe what we want. I'll ask it, create an Illustrator script that draws 8 pink circles evenly spaced in a radial grid, each 100 pixels from the center. Just like that, a ready-to-run script. I paste it into ScriptLab, press the play button, or hit Ctrl plus Enter. And instantly, 8 perfect pink circles appear, beautifully spaced in a circle. No dragging, no math. Just done. But why stop there? Let's try some more creative ideas you can generate just as easily. Rainbow concentric circles. Draw 7 concentric circles, each a different color of the rainbow, starting from red and increasing in size by 20 pixels. Hit run, and watch as a colorful set of layered rings appears, perfect for vibrant logos or backgrounds. Checkerboard pattern. Create an 8x8 checkerboard pattern with alternating black and white squares, each 50 pixels by 50 pixels. With a click, a clean, classic checkerboard fills your artboard, useful for patterns, mock-ups, or design elements. Sine wavelines. Draw 5 horizontal sine wavelines across the artboard, each with increasing amplitude and a different blue shade. Run the script, and suddenly you have smooth, flowing wavelines that add dynamic movement to your design. With ScriptLab, even if you're not a coder, you can create complex designs with just words, automate repetitive tasks, experiment without fear. Just describe your idea, paste the script, hit run. Designing has never been this fast or this fun. And just like that, you've stepped into a world where automation meets imagination. Experiment, modify, evolve your tools alongside your ideas. I'm Captain Avia from Pilotfront Labs. Until next time.